love with the cocoa. I got it for the long, 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 long.
So hello everyone, today me and my teammates are here to present a presentation on the topic Arduino. So let's start. So the topic name is Arduino and the teammates names are Aishwarya Kate, Siddesh Jadhav, Pranav Vane, Pratik Sawant. So let's start. So this is the introduction part. As we are all engineers and we are familiar with the word Arduino and microcontroller, with the help of which we build digital devices. So let's see these 3 points of introduction. Arduino is an open source hardware and software company, project and user community that designs and manufactures single board microcontroller and microcontroller kits for building digital devices. Arduino board designs use a variety of microphones and controllers. The boards are equipped with the sets of digital and analog input-output pins that may be interfaced various expansion boards or breadboards and other circuits. So this is the introduction part. Now let's see history. And earlier the Arduino project was started on the Interaction Design Institute Ivrea, that is IDII in Ivrea, Italy. The initial Arduino core team consists of Massimo Banzi, David Quartels, Tom Igo, Gianluca Martino and David Mills, but Baran was not invited to participate. In October 2016, Federico Musto, Arduino's former CEO, secured a 50% ownership of the company. In October 2017, Arduino announced its partnership with ARM Holding, that is ARM. What is Arduino? As discussed in the introduction part, Arduino is an open source of electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software for beginners yet flexible enough for advanced users. Arduino boards are able to read input slides on a sensor, a finger on a button and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning instruments to prove chemistry and principles or to get started with programming and robotics. So for the next slides, I call my teammate Siddesh Jadhav.
Good morning everyone, myself Siddesh Jadhav from Division B, roll number 17. Now I continue next part of Arduino report. In this slide, we are see construction of board. LED is directly connected to pin 13 and function as indication in board. USB connector for programming Arduino. Power supply is provided by barrel jack. The board containing 5 pin of power ground header. Next, analog pin header to pass analog signal to Arduino. It is 80 Mega 328 MCU microcontroller. It is central process unit of Arduino. It is reset button of Arduino. There are input-output digital pin header. Let's see type of Arduino board. Breadboard. It works on Windows 8 without having changed your security setting, and it can be powered over USB as well as barrel jack. Second one, Arduino Nano board. It is almost similar to Arduino Uno, but it 1/3 size of Arduino Uno. Next is Arduino Lil Pad. It has unique design. It can be swing in fabric, wearable project and art. Next, it is Arduino Uno R3. It is popular board. We will see detail in upcoming slide. Arduino Mega board. It is like big brother of Arduino Uno. It has more pin and memory than any other Arduino board. Let's see the feature of Arduino board. Arduino has 8T Mega 328 microcontroller, 5 volt operating voltage, 7 to 12 volt input voltage, 6 to 20 volt input voltage, 14 digital pin and 16 analog pin, 40 mA DC current, 50 mA DC current for 3.3 voltage pin. Arduino has 16 KB flash memory, 1 KB SRAM, 512 byte EPROM and 60 MHz clock speed. let's move to next slide. Arduino Uno R3. The Arduino Uno R3 have 6 analog pin and 14 digital pin. It is featured by AT16U2 microcontroller programmed as USB to serial converter.
Myself, Aishwarya Kante, roll number B21. Why kids should learn Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronics prototyping platform. It is flexible, easy to use hardware and software. Kids can make use of this to make innovative objects for their school projects. They can also develop their thinking as well as analytical skills. Significance. According to the research, Arduino is easy tool for fast prototyping. Arduino is easy to handle because of its simple connectivity with USB port. With the help of Arduino, we can merge the functioning of communication or connectivity of more than 2 devices. Arduino is backed up by growing online community. Lots of source code is already available, and the most important thing is it is based on C++ program. We can develop or modify the basic appliances or electronic gadgets with higher reliability. Advantages of Arduino. It comes with open supply hardware features that permits to develop our own kits. It is portable. It has low power consumption. It has high speed and low response time. Not much programming knowledge is required to handle this kit. Some disadvantages of Arduino. No data storage is required. Difficult to control different types of sensors simultaneously. It has high price. It is hard to fix in big machines. Arduino is delicate, so it requires great care. Further video is continued by Pratik.
Arduino has vast applications. Out of them, the few applications are DIY project prototyping, developing wide varieties of projects that require a code-based control, automation system development, parking lot counters, medical instruments, weighing machines. Conclusion. The main conclusion from the above study is that use of such technology will help us to cope up with newly coming challenges. Also, space-consuming appliances will be replaced by smart and mini ones. In order to make the lifestyle lavish, Arduino is playing an important role in all aspects. Future. Robots can be controlled through voice recognition mechanism. Many medical problems faced today are difficult to solve, but Arduino may provide helpful solutions. References. For this project, the references we used are as follows: www.google.in, www.wikipedia.org and YouTube. Thank you.